right there, a reddish purple anthers. Those are the female flowers, and the male flowers here, right there. Look at that, see? There's beauty in the little things too. Yeah, this is the female, this is the male. What's interesting about it, it's a plant of southern prairies. It's a plant of southern prairies. And I read an article about a prairie in Texas that I happened to be familiar with, had been there years ago, owned by the Nature Conservancy. And eastern Gama grass is one of the dominant grasses there. We have a fair amount of it at the Route 66 prairie. And unlike any other grass, the seeds are stacked. And when they're ripe, they come apart one seed at a time. So this being the female part down here, and here the pollen has already, receptacle has already shed right here, and here's just the male still flowering. But anyway, these are fairly large seed, and guess what? It's the closest relative to corn. Of course, corn has been an important food plant for Native Americans for millennia, and we don't know today wherever it originated, because it's used in Indian cultures, as we know, all the way from the tip of South America all the way into the Midwest. There was a corn culture, and this is the closest relative, and it's very distinctive, very large, and I just like it because it also reflects the fact that we just don't have any old little prairie at Route 66. We have a southern till plain prairie that has very strong affinity to prairies way to the south, all the way into Louisiana. We probably have, and we can talk more about it in the future, we probably have 20 or 30 different plants at the Route 66 prairie that occur here and more commonly to the south. And the further north you go from Litchfield, Route 66 prairie, the fewer you find. When you get to the Chicago area, they don't have all these species. Makes it very special.